Okay, I just want to make a quick video. I just picked up the Beretta Cheetah 80X, and when I went to take it down, I realized the process is a little bit different to put it back together than my other Berettas, such as the 92, which I have here. And if you have the Beretta 92, let's drop that forward. You connect that, and you have your takedown button. So flip it over, and you hit the button, pull that down, and your slide comes right off. And when you're ready to put it back together again, you just push it back, push that takedown lever back, and you're good to go. Now with the Cheetah, again, we are safe, so I'm going to slide that forward and decock it. Over here, your button is on this side. So same to take it down, you press the button, there you go, it slides forward. When you're ready to put it back together again, push it back, and that does not go. You can push the button, it does not move at all. And I spent quite a bit of time trying to put this slide back in different positions and just couldn't seem to get it to go, and realized there were no other videos that showed how to do this. And so I was messing around a little bit, and I realized that if you just take your index finger and push that barrel back a little bit, it locks right in. So just to show you again, you push the button, there you go, your slide's loose. When you're ready to put it back together, you push that in, just push it back, and your slide lock just locks right back into place. So I hope I saved you a little time. You have a great day now.